Like, I am blown away of how quickly these have filled in and how healthy they are. So, oh my goodness. Oh my. The last year, you'll recall that we had this happen as well over there. And I was a little perturbed, didn't know what it could be, had all sorts of speculation, and finally concluded that it was turtles laying eggs. So the same thing has happened this year, and they've gone, look what they did to the rock garden. That's not cool. And my peonies are gone. I don't see around here any signs of eggs being buried. I'll be very careful when I'm going through there to make sure that there's no eggs in there. That's where they had a nest last year, or laid eggs last year. I wanted to hollow out two of the logs over there. Carter started doing it for me. That it didn't go far because there was a lot of still hard wood that wasn't ready to come out. So here's the red, the pink. I'd like to get this hollowed out and put white there, although I don't have any more white impatience. And I've got white there, pink there. I wanted to put white over there. Good afternoon, everyone. So yesterday I was out here till late and Turns out the video went off and I didn't even know it. But what I did do last night was this little garden here. I ended up trimming back the little hemlock that we have here. It was getting too big. I may do the one back there as well. I'll see. But I cleaned this up. I'm going to go down here. So I plant the plants that I brought so that I don't run out of time. So, oh my goodness. Looks like the turtles were back again. So they dug deeper here. So I don't know if there's any eggs in there actually. Like I can't tell. I'm gonna have to, and I don't know that I want to be looking. Yeah. Okay. I'm just gonna do what I need to do here. I'm not gonna worry about the turtles this time around. Okay. I'm gonna plant the rutabaga here. I actually didn't want to plant it there. I am going to leave the Shasta daisies in that vase until next week. But look at all this. Oh my goodness. Okay. Look at these plants. Like this hosta has to be about 3 feet wide. Unbelievable. Like everything is just doing super well. Wow. I'm flabbergasted. that I will, I mean, at the rate that it's going, I am going to have to divide all of these next year. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. So over here we have some campanella there again. These don't spread, which I really like. We've got the Pachysandra, which I'm not very fond of, so, you know. We've got two hostas, which I'm going to move over there. Can you believe it's in this state again? Wow. For the vegetable garden. And this is the limestone for the steps we're going to do there. We might just do one or two. Not sure yet. This is the rock, the stone, the same as the stone that I used there. That, that we're going to use to build the wall here. I'm hoping I have enough. And this is still here. And this is crushed stone, which we're going to put where the stairs are going to go. So I'm hoping to build 2 stairs, and we'll leave it as is. And then if we have time some point this year, haha. So I'm going to do a little bit of weeding here and cleaning up these rocks. I already did a lot of it, but I hate to see these pine needles in them, as well as leaves. So oh my goodness, these things are relentless. It's a lot darker than it seems. I don't know why, but I've got all of the rocks. Oops, missed these here. So next week I will check to see. Yeah, last year I noticed that they only came on 2 evenings and then they were gone. And again, it was 2 evenings in a row, and I don't see any sign of them today. Yeah, just same thing. So I didn't get as much done as I was hoping to. It was really hot and the bugs just weren't cooperating. So I did do 3/4 of this. I need another 2 plants for there. I'd like to put something that will trail and maybe a yellow or a white flower in there, just to keep it with a nice rosé color. I did do these vases and cleaned up a little bit over here, but they're just, the bugs were awful. So these are ready to go. I believe we are expecting rain tomorrow, so perfect. In a couple of weeks, these will look absolutely stupendous. And I did this garden as well and trimmed the tree back a little bit. I don't want it, some of the branches hang out beyond our path here. So if we've got a car parked further back, the branches are in the way. So I'll continue to monitor, but it's looking absolutely lovely. So there are so many noises today that have me really freaked out.